I am creating this video when world is suffering with COVID-19 pandemic. Many countries started giving corona vaccine jab to their citizens. I came to know that some of the vaccines such as Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine is developed by genetically modified virus of chimpanzee's coronavirus. Does God like these modifications? Well, for this we have to refer to book of Jasher, which is mentioned in the Bible, Joshua 10:13. Hello friends, I am Hebron Peters. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Christian Chronicler. Thank you for your love that you showed for my previous videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. It boosts up my morale to create informative video related to Christianity. Let's start our informative video. According to Bible Genesis chapter 6 verse 7, so the Lord said, I will blot out from the earth the human beings I have created, people together with animals and creeping things and birds of the air, for I am sorry that I have made them. After this the great floods wiped off every living being from the surface of the earth except those who were on board with Noah. Bible speaks in Genesis chapter 6 that the Lord saw that the wickedness of humankind was great in the earth, and that every inclination of the thoughts of their hearts was only evil continually. And the Lord was sorry that he had made humankind on the earth, and it grieved him to his heart. Here the question arises, if the humans were wicked and committing all types of sins, then why animals were perished? Before taking other references, let's go through, what is genetic engineering, according to Wikipedia. Genetic engineering is a process that alters the genetic structure of an organism by either removing or introducing DNA. Genetic engineering takes the gene directly from one organism and delivers it to the other. This is much faster, can be used to insert any genes from any organism. Let's come back to the Bible and try to solve the mystery. According to Genesis chapter 6 verse 2, the sons of God saw that they were fair, and they took wives for themselves of all that they chose. And in verse 4, the Nephilim were on the earth in those days, and also afterward, when the sons of God went into the daughters of humans, who bore children to them. These were the heroes that were of old, warriors of renown. Son of God or Nephilim in those days were fallen angels who were immortal, and they took wives from human being, and their offsprings were the first genetically engineered. As they were heavenly beings, so they knew all the sciences and technology. A proper description is being given in Book of Jasher. According to Book of Jasher chapter 4 verse 18, and their judges and rulers went to the daughters of men and took their wives by force from their husbands according to their choice, and the sons of men in those days took from the cattle of the earth, the beasts of the field and the fowls of the air, and taught the mixture of animals of one species with the other, in order therewith to provoke the Lord. And God saw the whole earth, and it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted its ways upon earth, all men and all animals. Today, in our time, science and technology has made so much progress that hybrid plants and animals are being developed. Changes are being done in DNA. Does God like these changes? Of course not. God hates these changes. His creation is very beautiful. When someone tries to alter his creation, then he is liable to face the wrath of the God. This happened in the time of Noah, according to the Book of Jasher, when Satan's companions taught to mix the cattle of the earth, the animals of the farm and the birds of the air with one species of the other. Then the wrath of God erupted. It was a kind of genetic engineering of that time. Therefore, the mixed animals of that time also had to be destroyed by God with the flood. During the time of Noah, God saved human and animals which he created, and destroyed genetically changed animals along with the offsprings of Son of God and daughters of man. As mentioned, all flesh had corrupted its ways upon earth, all men and all animals. Today, technology is advancing in such a great speed which is never seen in the entire history of mankind or in history till date. An increase in technology, knowledge, and travel are sure signs of the end times. All one has to do is look at the tremendous advancements in computing power and medical sciences. The go-to scripture that is cited is found in Daniel 12:4, but thou, O Daniel, shut up the words, and seal the book, even to the time of the end. Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall be increased. Scientists are even trying to generate breed of mixture of human and monkey, This is same as mentioned in book of Jasher, the mixture of one species with other. Maybe this is sign of coming of the beast who is mentioned in Revelations. So dear friends, end time is near. We are provoking anger of the God. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Meet you in some other informative video. Goodbye for now. God bless you.